Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Digi Tacho card is valid and you know the PIN. This avoids delays. Once done, power the tachograph or vehicle ignition and insert the card with the chip facing up. You will see the reader ask for the PIN, enter it carefully and press OK. The system authenticates you, which links driving data to your card. Make sure the display shows your name or driver ID. If not, remove and reinsert the card slowly to ensure contact. Once authenticated, set your duty status immediately, drive, brake, or availability, so the system logs accurate times. While driving, the tachograph records speed and distance to the card automatically. Make sure the display confirms recording. At stops, change status to rest or other duty and confirm the entry is saved to your card. Periodically, connect a certified download device to copy data from the card to secure storage. This prevents data. Before finishing, confirm the tachograph shows data saved, then use the eject function and remove the card gently. Forced removal can corrupt files. If an error appears, note the code and try reinserting the card. Once done, attempt download with a backup reader or another certified device. If problems persist, contact your fleet manager or approved technician and provide the error code and recent download files. Keeping regular backups and noting error speeds resolution and keeps your records compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.